Did you know that, on average, we make around 35,000 decisions every single day? From the seemingly mundane to life-altering choices, our days are filled with the constant hum of decision-making. And that brings us to today's topic, Decisive, by Chip and Dan Heath, a book that not only explores the science of decision-making but equips you with practical strategies to make better choices. So, who would enjoy reading Decisive by Chip and Dan Heath? Well, if you're someone tired of the decision-making pitfalls, whether in your personal or professional life, this book is your compass. The Heath brothers take us on a journey through the decision-making process, unraveling the common biases and traps that often lead us astray. The book introduces us to the RAP framework: widen your options, reality test your assumptions, attain distance before deciding, and prepare to be wrong. Each element of this framework is a powerful tool designed to break through the barriers that hinder effective decision-making. Let's start with widen your options. The Heath brothers challenge the idea of binary choices and encourage us to explore a broader range of possibilities. By expanding our options, we increase our chances of finding innovative solutions and making more informed decisions. Reality Test Your Assumptions digs into the importance of seeking out diverse perspectives and challenging our assumptions. The book presents practical methods to gather more information, ensuring that our decisions are based on a more accurate understanding of the situation. Attain Distance Before Deciding emphasizes the value of stepping back and gaining perspective. The Heath brothers provide insights into how taking a moment to detach emotionally can lead to clearer decision-making, helping us avoid impulsive choices. And finally, Prepare to be Wrong is all about embracing uncertainty and acknowledging that our decisions might not always pan out as expected. By planning for contingencies and learning from our mistakes, we can navigate the complexities of decision-making more effectively. As we navigate through the book, you'll find real-world examples, compelling case studies, and practical exercises that bring the RAP framework to life. The Heaths illustrate how individuals and organizations can apply these principles to make better decisions and avoid the common pitfalls that often lead to regret. And there you have it, Decision Makers. Decisive, by Chip and Dan Heath is not just a book. It's a roadmap for anyone ready to break free from decision paralysis and make choices that lead to positive outcomes. If you're tired of second-guessing yourself and want to enhance your decision-making skills, this book is a must-read. But the journey doesn't end here. If you found these insights valuable and want more transformative content, hit that subscribe button below. We've got a library of book summaries and mind-expanding content waiting for you. So, don't miss out. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if it resonated with you, and drop a comment letting us know which book you'd like us to explore next. Until then, happy decision making, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next video.